Well, this is Qwizdom. This is a Qwizdom response system. We've supplied Questnet conference this year with 400 of these remotes that have been dispersed all over the conference. And what this allows us to do is when lecturers and presenters are presenting to the audience can have their say at certain intervals during those presentations. The lecturers, presenters then can see that data come back, make comment on that, or actually change the dynamic of what they're doing. So rather than working in a linear fashion, we're actually trying something a little bit more exciting this year.
So I guess it's instant feedback.
It's exactly that. It's instant feedback for the audience and it's instant feedback for the presenter. The response rate's been very high. Every time a question's posed, we can actually see on the screen how many of the participants are actually getting involved with the session, and it's been very high. It's been in the 90s every time, which is great. And some of the comments already have been really positive in terms of how they've been able to feel part of that presentation. This tool would find itself, Qwizdom's at home within the lecture theatres, classrooms, very much the education forum, but I guess anywhere where you're asking questions and looking for feedback on that, you could use Qwizdom.
And how do you see it moving forward? Where else do you see it being implemented?
Well, universities are a big core kind of project for us at the moment. The University of Auckland have got 5,000 of these at the moment that they're using as a trial, and they're coming up with some fantastic results. The remote, the software is constantly being upgraded. I see this as well, it's got a bit of a home in terms of a virtual feedback, you know, anywhere, anytime kind of thing. So that's probably where it's going, yes.
A gimmick or good application?
Okay, well, this is what we battle against, and you know, I'm a teacher myself. I'm a primary school teacher who's used this in the class, and I've actually seen the fact that I can teach. I can get that immediate feedback rather than marking at the end of my lesson. I can come back immediately with my class and point out where misconceptions are, you know, and in terms of how it's used in universities, which is what we're focused on today, lecturers are constantly saying, okay, you know, I can keep my audience on the tips of their toes, they're awake, they're assessed. In some modules, in some universities, the results from here are actually counting towards unit modular exam results. It's the very first time Questnet have used the product. Talking to Martin, I think we might use it again. It's been a success so far from the feedback we've heard. But yeah, this is an exciting new venture for us.